Hey, everyone! Welcome back to part 6 of the best 15 foods to burn fat and lose weight. The 13th food is grapefruit. Grapefruit is a citrus fruit that is known for its sour and bitter taste. Grapefruit is low in calories and high in water, fiber, and vitamin C, which can help you hydrate, fill up, and boost your immune system. Grapefruit can also help you burn fat and lose weight by improving your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, and by activating your brown fat, which is a type of fat that burns calories to generate heat. Studies have shown that eating half a grapefruit before meals can lead to greater weight loss and fat loss than not eating grapefruit. You can eat grapefruit as a snack or dessert, or add it to your salads, smoothies, or juices. Choose fresh grapefruit and avoid canned or dried ones that contain added sugar. The 14th food is coconut oil. Coconut oil is another type of oil that can help you burn fat and lose weight. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are the same type of fat that we mentioned earlier. MCTs can increase your metabolism, energy expenditure, and ketone production, and reduce your appetite and calorie intake. Coconut oil can also improve your cholesterol profile and protect your heart health. Studies have shown that consuming 2 tablespoons of coconut oil per day can lead to significant weight loss and fat loss, especially in the abdominal area. You can use coconut oil for cooking, baking, or adding to your coffee, smoothies, or oatmeal. The 15th and final food is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a delicious and decadent treat that can also help you burn fat and lose weight. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and polyphenols, which can improve your blood flow, lower your blood pressure, and reduce your inflammation and oxidative stress. Dark chocolate can also boost your mood, cognitive function, and serotonin levels, which can help you cope with stress and prevent emotional eating. Dark chocolate can also suppress your appetite and cravings, and increase your thermogenesis and fat oxidation. Studies have shown that eating a small amount of dark chocolate per day can lead to greater weight loss and fat loss than eating no chocolate at all. You can eat dark chocolate as a snack or dessert, or add it to your yogurt, oatmeal, or granola. Choose dark chocolate that has at least 70% cocoa content and avoid milk chocolate or white chocolate that contain more sugar and fat. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.